FPCCI's BMP Accelerates campaign for annual elections 2024. The Businessman Panel BMP of Federation of Pakistan Chambers of Commerce and Industry FPCCI has announced to speed up its drive for the annual elections of the apex trade body for 2024, holding series of important meetings and visiting various cities, chamber and trade and industrial associations across the country to get support for their nominated candidates. The FPCCI former president and BMP chairman Mia Anjum Nisar and FPCCI's presidential candidate for the election Muhammad Ali Sheikh said that the BMP has chalked out a comprehensive plan that would help ensure economic progress and prosperity in the country. The leadership said that a large number of associations and traders groups have announced their support for the BMP in the FPCCI's upcoming elections. Agencies News Desk. Here are some related posts. Insurance is highly important for welfare. Beria University organizes seminar on corporate skills. SIFC Effective Forum for Economic Stability. Umar. Sri Lanka to attract $2.3 billion FDI in 2023. Pakistan Observer, your source for latest Pakistan world news. Stay updated on politics, business, sports, lifestyle, CPAC, and breaking news. Accurate, timely, and comprehensive coverage. Public category article: business, CPAC, forex rate, gold rate, Kashmir, lifestyle, Pakistan, sports, technology, top news, information, terms of use, contact, advertise with us, and download our app. Download our Android app for the latest Pakistan and world news in just a tap. Stay informed anywhere, anytime.